Next up, we recently visited the brand new Bed Bath & Beyond in Midtown Manhattan. Now, I was blown away by how beautiful, but also how technologically advanced this store was. Bed Bath's quarter might not be a barn burner, but I think the redesigned stores will change people's impression of this formerly fossilized institution. I like the prices. I like the merchandise. I like the management. I think the stock can go higher, particularly if it gets hit. Remember, what we saw is going to get rolled out. So if the stock gets hit, you're buying a stock that does not take into account the new stores. As long as there's a chip shortage, the used car market will remain strong. That means CarMax should deliver a great number on Thursday. But let's not be too particular. I like AutoNation. I like Lithia. I like Carvana. If you're inclined, you got my blessing to buy CarMax ahead of the quarter. I like AutoNation, too. One that's totally bothersome to me, though, in terms of buying ahead is Paychex, the stock, not the company. This payroll processor is incredibly well run and consistent, yet it never gets the respect it deserves. Why? Because it's hostage to the labor market and to short-term interest rates. The stock tends to sell off even after good results. Buying Paychex into that weakness has been a great strategy. Check the chart. You'll know I'm right. If you're convinced that the economy's slowing, you might want to buy some McCormick, the spice maker. The problem, of course, is that while it sure seems to be getting stronger, well, they might lose business as the Delta variant peaks. We don't know if it's going to or not. And people feel more comfortable going out to dinner again. I'd avoid it for the moment, even though I like it. Finally, on Friday, we tend to look back, as we did all week today, and we see how COVID did. It was the second week that actually things were a little bit better. We've had a couple weeks where things seem to have calmed down, and we may be nearing a bizarre herd, and that's H-E-R-D, immunity, where everyone has either gotten vaccinated or gotten sick because Delta's so catchable. I think the infection numbers will continue to improve. The bottom line, get ready. After next week, the onslaught of earnings and the Labor Department's all-important non-farm payroll number will strike. After a crazy up and down, or some people say down and up week, we're now headed into a calm before the storm moment here. And that storm could get a lot worse depending on what happens in China, where there's no calm to be found at all.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.